Turkey has taken another major step in strengthening its layered naval defense with the successful first test launch of the Goksur point defense missile system. On February 16, the Turkish Navy's TCG Beykoz vessel conducted the test off the coast of Sinop in northern Turkey, marking a significant milestone in the country's growing domestic air defense capabilities. Developed by leading defense firm Aselsan in collaboration with Tubitak Sage, Goksur is positioned as a key element of Turkey's Steel Dome naval air defense system. Designed to counter a wide array of threats, including anti-ship and cruise missiles, drone, fighter jets, and helicopters, Goksur represents an important leap in Turkey's ability to protect its maritime assets against increasingly sophisticated aerial threats. Unlike traditional close-in weapon systems or existing missile-based point defense solutions such as the RAM or Sea Ceptor, Goksur leverages an advanced infrared seeker-guided missile with bidirectional data link communication, allowing for mid-course guidance and enhanced engagement precision. The system comes in multiple configurations, including the Goksur 100N vertical launch system, the standalone turret-based Goksur 100N STA, and a new 20 missile configuration, signaling Turkey's intent to provide a scalable and modular defense solution for its growing naval fleet. Goksur has already gained attention in international defense circles because the system's modular architecture allows seamless integration with various frigates and corvettes, either as a standalone system or linked to a vessel's combat management network. This flexibility is critical as Turkey continues to expand its naval presence, particularly in the Mediterranean and Aegean, where geopolitical tensions remain high. Goksur's introduction reflects Turkey's broader ambitions to reduce reliance on foreign defense systems while positioning itself as a key player in the global naval defense market. The Goksur missile defense system can be compared to other point defense solutions like Israel's Sea Dome or the US Phalanx. What sets Goksur apart is its modularity and scalability, allowing it to be integrated into a wide range of naval vessels with varying defense needs. The success of Goksur showcases Turkey's growing technological expertise and its ability to compete in the global defense market.